Manhyia na mewɔ no. Mabɛtwɛn meba ha anɔpa 5:30. Matwɛn Kevin Taylor woma. Mesi sɛ woba Manhyia yɛbɛbu otuo ko.
In this particular video, Boba ebe kum no mami do. Baako aye bra Penyah Kevin Kobedi Taylor. Kumasi ni bi abe threat Kevin Taylor say obe Kumasi a. Kevin Taylor mistake etu na ti Kumasi obe boni tu akono. Ema anso ho a watam etuo e da kwagina Manhyia himfie enchen ho no e twen Kevin Taylor say oye be ma omra ho no na omehwe na nisu ade. Ana face IGP Yohonu tete. IGP so abe fire back at Ghanaian for na more fire no. Say, oh, IGP by any day, there's insecurity in the country, master. IGP, wabe sanity, wabe fire back at Ghanaians. I Penyah block media. Best was I need him. Ube like video, no that my post subscribe button, some back the cable notification icon for latest updates. Now better why join the mama or comment section. Best was baswa. No actually not for any be actually. And let's start with IGP. Obekaya. Nanse my bro video ni na aye Ghana for omo ke can be IGP tete. Ese there be Yohonu there. In fact, on say IGP. When the demon and any posture cry, I say IGP no cry the title IGP. It doesn't suit him. And suit no. I say what you watching my view. I say what watching my view. What you watching my view. Post na say name fa. E ma Ghana for be can be say o dey o ma fe down pare.
Put your political sentiment aside. Let us be honest and real with ourselves. Having to miss the former IGP, George Akufu Dampare. Tell me, if you have not missed that man, tell me. In this world, nobody is 100% right. And nobody can do 100% the job. But the work that former IGP, George Akufu Dampare, did in his era, I don't think you have any IGP that will perform like that man. Be honest with yourself. In the space of 1 month, 5 taxi drivers are got missing. 4 of them has been confirmed dead. 1 is nowhere to be found. And all the suspects that were arrested trying to make away with their taxi on their Flower border were arrested. They were all Nigerians. They were all Nigerians. The only thing that Ghana police know is to stand up at the roadside and collect 1 cedi from taxi drivers and truck drivers. They cannot protect life and properties again. And the police is responsible for the lives and the properties in this country. But they can no longer protect it. IGP, with all due respect, what are you guys doing, you and your men? What are you doing? Because things are getting out of hand. Things are getting out of hand. Rape, kidnapping, armed robbery, selling of hard drugs on the streets, a whole lot of nonsense. Ghana is no longer safe again for Ghanaians and foreign investors. For visitors that want to visit Ghana and see the beauty of this country and see the historical moment, see the history of this country and experience our culture, they are no longer safe in this country. What is happening? What is happening? Please, you guys need to do something before things get out of hand. Yes. Share this video, tag the IGP and tag the Ghana Police Service in the comment section. Go on my bio, go and subscribe to my channel, go and follow my Facebook page. Thank you very much. We shall meet in the next episode.
Akufu Dampare o ma fe no. What I say? Ama efa Igbo nsensem Igbo community na Ghana hanom no ene the rate at which kidnapping cases as cause Ghana is Ghana no see an there. In fact, the insecurity in the country no is serious. Boko nsensem ni na edimu ntintimai. Obeka say me bro bi da ka tro say Boko SHS ya tutuo etuo akoso ho no ama student baako final year baako ewu form 2 student bi so class prepare serious because of that cry no. Oma close Boko SHS school no temporarily till further notice. Ni nyina nkanfo na manfo fire IGP Yohonu tete ese there be na pensu de there be Ghana no ahoma mosem no ato ape oni onua mumu ntaka Muhammad o interior minister ene omani bu amamo what I say o me defense minister mo no as ma pensu de Ghana the insecurity in this country are be high but penifas one can say through you boy efa nsem a etwagu montene so Ghana fo na keka kire IGP Yohonu tete no eno no so abe reply back say masa munyai mon kan okre na me ma pen so pa de hey yes a crime crime has reduced totally. What you say, armed robbery, then I become. What have you? Nini na ba form na Ghana for one kind of crime.
I think for some time now, over the years, crime has come down to 10 in a week.
Armed robbery cases?
Armed robbery cases.
Okay.
Robbery cases, which it has not been so. You know, in the past few years, it has been sometimes 30, 40 robberies in a week.
In a week?
Yes, yes,
oh,
but it kept on coming down. It came to 29, it came to 19, and today, as I'm talking about it now, it has gone down. We are working hard, and it is just not by mere wishful thinking that the crime has come down. It is a collective effort, collective work by all commanders, and then intelligence and then advice being given by the police management board to the various regional commanders that everybody should work hard to fight crime. We have also made some few changes of intelligence officers, and which is yielding results, especially in an area like Accra. We are making so many successes. You know, a lot of success has been chalked in respect of these people who use motorbikes to rob.
Okay.
You know, within the week, the Accra Regional Police Command have arrested no less than 6 suspects, those who use motorbikes to rob. Okay. One of the suspects confessed that within the period of 1 month, he has been able to rob 15 motorbikes.
Whoa!
15 motorbikes. And he took the police to the areas, Sprinters and all other places within Accra here, where he has robbed people, and the people that he has snatched and taken their handbags, people he has taken their mobile phones and all those things. So a lot of these suspects have been arrested. There are others also that the intelligence is working to get them arrested. That is a type of crime that appears to be on the high side. That is somebody is standing by a roadside, he closed from school, and then in the evening he wants to take a trotro, he joins any car. Before you ride, somebody on a motorbike will just attack you with a knife and then snatch your... Even recently, a policewoman who closed from church around Dungwa area there was crossing the road when a young man of about 16, 17 years, young men, you know, they were on motorbike, they got closer to her, and then they stabbed her, and then they took her mobile phone and the money that she was holding. And within a short time, the police at Atadeka managed to arrest the 2 young guys, people of around 16, 17. Now, because of drugs, this red and other things, these boys are in it. They go into this type of crime. So crime has reduced, and then they are working those that have occurred. You know, they don't keep long. We get the suspects arrested.
Okay.
You know, if you go to Ashanti region, a lot of efforts are being done by the police in the region there. You know, there's a town called Mpasata. In Pasetia.
Yes, sir.
Oh God, when will I understand you well? Yes.
Hey, we'll get better.
Yes, there was a filling station there around in Kawiya district over there. Even that somebody have these robbers have robbed a filling station
at Mpasetia.
Yeah, and then
it was in the news.
they shot and then killed the man. Even that one, it was the president who sent the story to me, and then within 3 days we have been able to arrest all the suspects.
Wow.
Yes, even somewhere in Ashanti, a policeman was robbed, and even his sidearm was taken away. And then the police went in, and they were able to arrest all the suspects, and then even the weapon of the policeman has been retrieved. Taken also into the Momo vendor robberies and all those things. I can assure you that those things that occurred in the Volta region of Aflau, where police have been able to arrest them, even Accra here, all those people, a lot of arrests have been made. Ashanti region, where they shot and killed a woman and another man, police have been able to arrest most of these suspects, and it has reduced to the barest minimum the attack on the Momo vendors. So crime in general, we are fighting crime seriously.
Okay.
All the commanders, there's that's hectic, and then competition among the commanders. Everybody wants to chalk success. And then the district officers are also responding very seriously to crimes in their areas. And all that we are saying is that, with the efforts they are making, as the government has promised to retool the service, if we are able to get more vehicles to make our commanders to be mobile, and then the patrol teams to be more mobile, I think we'll be able to get to single-digit crime or even to nothing at all within a week. So we are fighting the crime, seriously fighting crime, and I assure you that this effort, recently we just met the regional commanders, and nothing was on the agenda apart from fighting crime. That was all. And I told them that Ghanaians will not expect anything from you. All they want is their peace. Yeah. So if you cannot work for them to get their peace, all the work we are doing in offices bring nothing. So go in and help to fight the crime. And then, I will give you another example.
What I say? IGP said, "Didn't you perform? Now you want to mumpa mechanical no crap part of more car. I'll perform. Now because I can be tell you PM. I will radio good. After so bedroom Ghana Hanamo and a honor. What can I say? Oh, what you say? Because so back Kumasi, better Kumasi. She see, baby be a new Kumasi was. We talk about China now. She see, Obia to me, baby be a Drobia card. Will be at me trying to share. Just Kevin tell her ebe there Kumasi for no. Moya do we know? There was one particular TikToker. On any go for pay because effort to me that can tell deep PZ boys into no.
Kevin there, and then in some kind of musu missing jaishe. Kwasiafo munya sika o PZ ram la koto red. Mu hunyina John so mu bon John so mu Asantehene mbrantie ni bi. Eniti na MPP use mu jimi. And ye no ye beto ye na o beto wo nana oba ye gata da ho ene da ho wo na ewu ma na ba kwa ba ma na ewu ma ma me aba kwasia wo na wo te gata no ho mo ye lucky say jane to ho na mo nda ye ke be hye musem emmoa mumu bi mu ajimi.
Guy he was actually traumatized. He's in pain. Emma obe threat Kevin Taylor say secretary e be ma on through netu Kumasi or try obe boni tu akuno.
Kevin Taylor amen kan kire hwɛ wo so wo ba Kumasi yenso ye twɛn Kevin Taylor bi donyame sɛ wo ba Kumasi a ye be botu akun Kevin Taylor me say wo so wo message ani ne Kumasi na wo ba no wo di national security be 1000 na eba wo ba tia wo nana ba yi Otumfuo na ba tia me donyame sɛ wo gbogbo ahimfie na wo kɔ na Otumfuo anya wo de na wo pia me donyame sɛ wo ye be botu akun Kevin Taylor me donyame sɛ wo so wo ba Kumasi a wo nsa nkɔ. Mark my words. And then ye Friday, ye twɛn up to Sunday. Won nim na wura himfie sɛ kim wo nsa nkɔ ɔkyebiom. Me se wo so obiara kra me metete wo botu akun me sɛ wo Kevin Taylor sɛ wo so wo ba ho nana ho. Wo ka kyerɛ ye nana sɛ akonya bi a wo Asantehene bi a ho nte wo anade wo fa kunturu ase apaye wura kyɛw ba kan sɛ wo ba wo nana ho. Kumasi na ufiri mi donyame sɛ wo wura wo kyea mi fie mpo na upie Kevin Taylor me sɛ me sɛ wo ye be bu tu akun ɛne yi sɛ wo fa national security me sɛ so me sɛ wo so wo ba wo so ntie social media ɛne ye ka kyerɛ wo you be hu video yi ɛne Friday you be hu video yi on fa time Kevin Taylor ɛne radio station ɔkɔkan kwasi asɛm no me sɛ ye twɛn na wo du Kumasi a na be say yes senkrafo ene ntimi nyo bibi a anya Asantehene mu me se wo du na be bu tu akun me na mka kire wo me se hwe ene me be bu tu ama me se be kum bi me se wo ene this one ma Kevin Taylor te tafo me se wo nim na wo si Kumasi se wo so wo ba wo nana ho ye nim na nakro na se Otumfuo ye wuro Otumfuo na wo ba no ho de a na wo fa kuntu ase ne mahama be pe ye wuro Otumfuo acha wo de a den de ye ntumo me se wo wura himfie na wo pie Kevin Taylor ye be bu tu akun ana ye se de ye hu sa wo ba himfie ne se hu se wo ba himfie ye hu so ba himfie a na wo ye bema so a kandakora wo ba Kumasi ye ye ready for you ye mfon ba eni ye besi me se wo du Kumasi na wo ba ye wura pia na wo kwaso say yewura na obepa na chewa yen wan pa ye chew what I say yewura na wo de bahama fo kuntu ase abepa na chew so wo ba na hodi a wo se akonya yewura tisu na honte wo de ji yewura Otumfuo atam framfram ama ne wo so wo ba Kumasi abeche yewura Otumfuo wo do ye bemma so de si Kumasi me se wo bia kura nkame betete wo botu akun ene me botu ama wo de bekum di me se mo fata di kabitela mo fata di na chidifo no one wonam no me se wo so ba Kumasi ya ye wura di ye twen me se no Friday anya bia ne wo ba wa ye hu sa wo ba na wo ba nwa no be wura ho na wiye ya nwa na ko na se wo ye hu sa wo na wo bokum wo be Kumasi akabitela me do na me se wo ahwe a de be sie nye me say so obi akwa ya me metete wo butu akun me na ka chewo me butu ama wo de be ne yenye me asiam pe wo be chewo nana wo nana bai wo be chewo nana wo nana bai na wo aba ba chewo ye chewo taw so be Kumasi be chiro say security no so boys wo so ayeye shekura chewo asia wo ko tena America wona ke kan sema o so bai wa no twabuto o so bai wa emere me se wo nim na usi Kumasi se they say yi band ya through so do ba Kumasi me say ko bia kra hu a ana wo ko dia fine na se hu se wo baka bitela me dunyam se ne da no ene wo ba ya na wo fa necessary script na se ko tuma o se ko anya sa you better to wo butu akun de be se bi ensi shameless people wo na wo nyi adwene wo nim nyansa ni ya ye wo sa nkoa na wo fom no mum na be fom no mum nye ko ase ko enkafo ene ipo so president no ena be fom no mum umedi die wo Otumfuo atam sama be kan so be che Otumfuo o dane tewani kurasini me se wo ene bia ne wa ye hu na ye sa me se me e be butu akun ene ye be se bia nsi enu sa de ka unu sa de kankra ho abuo dwan
video pop up on the internet no Ghana for be twen ho da say hey akwa with this guy IGP must pick him up call what threat Kevin Taylor what I say e ma guy sha ba bia mu obaye no enye Kevin Taylor no call no so na mom guy na Kevin Taylor ni ye interview e wo Radio Gold no
nsanhwani na wo ye Kevin Taylor interview won kan uni twa ase de wate uni twem wo kan wo antu so nyama ku wo ya boa wo sa kwa na wo se ye bo Kevin Taylor abaso wo mo Kevin Taylor abaso mi
na asa agoro no go be dem say guy by retract because the video no cause bobo Kevin Taylor tune e go viral e dey go be say bia nke ehu kakra be bo no na nkwa retract but enu echi no guy etamutuo ekwagina Manhyia himfie a wo say o twen Kevin Taylor so be Kumasi a opa omra ogina ho no e twen no
on say Manhyia na me wo no ma be twen e ba ha anopa 5:30 ma twen ya Kevin Taylor o ma me si so ba Manhyia e be butu akun ohun e weapon ni ohun me weapon eni kura me oba Manhyia me si me do nyame Kevin Taylor e be chiro sheji me si Manhyia nam no me ba Manhyia me ba 5:30 ma be wanya me hu se wa ba ho ye twen kopim next week na sa wo back Manhyia de a we chiro shikiai na me si wo ba Manhyia e do be fa so no ba Manhyia e do be fa so Kevin Taylor me si wo be ho ati ase ohun ma be twen ya wo ma Kevin Taylor abetwan ya wo ma wo kan se wura wo som no Kevin Taylor tetafo wo kan se wura wo som no me say ya betwan ya wo ma na ye twen wo me se wo ba ha anye na e kan say wo nana na wo yo he no won hwehwe wa mana won hwehwe adaka anto na me se wo ba ha se ya ye be kire brantai 1 million oti ase ye be sa kire wo weapons. I'm on say also your gangsters for US one and so much say gangsters. I was Asantehene. Only city. My train I want my coffee a chama saba. Okay, until I will. When Shana Manamono, the Simmons Yana. Yeah, man, Shana Manamono. Now I train I want my say coffee. As Champagne Kevin Taylor.
Nipa de bia ni abiri o we a food tour market bi ta say mo on try Kumasi de onyi nani onye memasem enye memasem say Ghana ma ba Ghana ba kura wo ti hye de busuru yundu pumpie burger wa ba ke ho Kevin Taylor wuntimi pie etinga wonum say omu ga say mintima Ghana ma ba Kumasi de kara and try burger yesrew ye pasumjo Ghana ko onya utru Kumasi ani that to be the beginning of a war in Ghana e Kevin Taylor de mo obia secret ni bia mfani Jimmy nka say ye be ma Kevin Taylor secret ye be Kumasi munya Jimmy no mo mfa Kevin Taylor si Kumasi e ma mo nka so ke ye be ma ni secret ye be ma ni special secret ye be Kumasi mo try se mo pese ja tom Ghana de na mo mfa ne nko se mo pese Ghana nya sumdwe de na mo try se mo Kevin Taylor ko Kumasi de Kevin Taylor si Kumasi a that will be beginning of a war in Ghana a futu and certain pages sorry a word to the wise is enough. Chirawa Jemame, our comment section. I Penyah Media. Accra.